Some pages in your app may contain sensitive or important information that should only be visible to verified users. With the Require Login setting, you can make sure users sign in before accessing specific pages in your app. I'm Kayla with Jotform, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the Require Login feature in Jotform Apps to protect pages and ensure only registered users can access your content. Let's get started. To get started, open the Jotform App Builder. Click on the page where you want to control access. Then select the gear icon, called Properties, to open the page settings. On the right side, in the General tab, you can configure the main properties of the page. Set the page name to define how the page will be labeled inside your application. To restrict access, enable Require Login. When this setting is turned on, users may sign in before they can access the selected page. You can also adjust how the page appears in your app's navigation. Use Show Page on Navigation to control whether the page appears in the main navigation menu. Turn on Show Icon if you want to display an icon next to the page name. Then click Select Icon to choose an icon from the library. Use the search bar to quickly find icons or browse through the available categories to select one that represents your page. Once Require Login is enabled, users must log in before accessing the page. Toggle Preview to see the app from a user's perspective. When the page is protected, visitors will first see the sign-in screen before they can continue. Users can quickly log in using social authentication providers such as Google, Microsoft, Facebook, Apple, or Salesforce. They can also sign in using their email address or username and password. If users forget their password, they can select Forgot Password to recover their account or choose Sign Up to create a new one. And that's how you use Require Login in Jotform Apps. Enable login protection to secure important pages, verify users, and control access to your app's content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.